Bibb County Sheriff's Office is looking for 4 suspects wanted for stealing assault rifles from Bass Pro Shop late last night. 4 males broke through a glass door to get inside the building. Deputies say the suspects used crowbars to pry open the metal bars covering the gun section, and the suspects took several assault rifles. This case is under investigation. Anyone with information is urged to call the Bibb County Sheriff's Office at 746-9441 or Macon Regional Crime Stoppers. That number is 1-877-68-CRIME.